The OnePlus 15 is coming this October, and the latest teasers give a closer look at both the design and a possible launch date. One teaser image shows the lock screen set to October 27th, which lines up with reports pointing to a late October launch in China, followed by a global rollout in November. Early leaks suggest the OnePlus 15 could be the most gaming-focused OnePlus phone ever. We're talking desktop-level frame rates, monster battery, and the brand-new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip. Now today, OnePlus China's president, Louis Li, revealed the list of games that would support 165 frames per second gaming. According to him, Call of Duty Mobile, Delta Force, Arena Breakout, League of Legends, Wild Rift, and Naruto Mobile will natively run at 165 frames per second on the OnePlus 15. Independent testing by Geekbench even showed Delta Force holding an average of 164.9 frames per second over 30 minutes, with 1% low still at 148 frames per second, and the phone drawing just 4.7 watts of power. Translation? You're not only getting buttery-smooth gameplay, but also stable, efficient performance without cooking your hands. Backing that up is a brand new 6.78-inch BOE X3 Oriental AMOLED panel with a 165Hz refresh rate. For comparison, the OnePlus 13 topped out at 120Hz, just like most other flagships. This puts the OnePlus 15 in a very elite category, perfect for competitive gaming. Of course, all that power comes from Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip. Versus the Snapdragon 8 Elite in the OnePlus 13, you're getting a 20% CPU uplift, a 23% GPU boost, and 25% higher single-core Geekbench scores. Multicore is hitting around 11,000 points, that's serious laptop-level performance in your pocket. Now, let's talk stamina. Rumors suggest a 7,000 mAh battery paired with 120-watt charging. The OnePlus 15 is expected to launch at a price below the OnePlus 13 starting cost of 4,499 yuan, that's around $630. The phone is set to debut in China this October, with a global release in early 2026. So if you're a gamer looking for the smoothest mobile experience possible, this might just be the device to watch. So what do you think? Is 165Hz gaming a game changer for the OnePlus 15? Drop your thoughts in the comments, also hit that like button if you enjoyed this deep dive, and don't forget to subscribe for more cutting-edge tech updates.